Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing today? So on today's video, I want to take you guys on how I made this fluffy donuts. So guys, I want you to sit back and let's just dive right into this video because this donut recipe, I promise you, you are going to love it. So guys, let's just dive right into it. So in your bowl, you're going to be going in with 4 cups of all-purpose flour, but I'm going to go in with 2 first. Please, whenever you're baking, make sure you're sieving your flour because it will make your flour to be soft and it will take out any particles in it at all. So guys, after the first 2 cups, I will go in with the second 2 cups and I will sieve it as well, just like I'm doing here. Please guys, if you're new here and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? On my YouTube channel, I create recipes, different kind of recipes, baking videos and cooking videos, and I promise you, you're going to love it. Then we'll go in with 1/3 cup of sugar. We'll go in with 1 tablespoon of yeast. We'll go in with half teaspoon of salt. Then we'll go in with 2 tablespoons of margarine. If you have butter, you can as well use that. But here I'm going to be making use of margarine. Then you go ahead and you crack in 1 large egg. I'm going to be using 1 egg for this recipe. And we are going to be using 1 cup of milk. If you don't have milk, you can substitute with water. Then I'll just go ahead and I'll mix my dough. This is where the work is, and I'm not going to lie to you. At this point, if you have a mixer, you can as well just use your mixer and mix it. But me, I'm going to be using my hand to mix this dough. So I noticed that my dough was hard. I went in with a little more water so that I will knead my dough together. So I will just continue kneading here because you need to knead your dough perfectly because you're making donuts. So I will knead it to this point. I'll just transfer it to my work surface so that I'll continue kneading it till it becomes soft. To get a perfect donut, you will need to mix your dough very well. That is why I would recommend using a mixer if you have it. But if you don't have mixer, you need to knead your dough for up to like 15 to 20 minutes to get it to be this smooth. So after kneading, to know that your dough is perfectly kneaded, you need to just put your hand in it, and if your dough just pop up back, you are good to go. Like you can see me do here, you're just good to go. Then I'll go ahead and I will cut my dough. At this point, you can use your scale so that you make sure that your dough, they come out the same size. You can measure them, but me, I'm not going to be measuring. I'll just go ahead and use my iron, cut it like I'll eyeball the size here. So if you've watched up until this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos to your friends and family, comment and like my videos so that YouTube will help push my videos to wider audience. Okay, so after cutting like this, the next thing I'm going to do, so I'm going to start shaping them into a round ball. So if you're making your donuts, you see this place, it can be very tricky. You need to cover the mouth very well because if you don't cover it very well, just like I'm doing here, when you're frying, your dough or your donut is actually going to open up. Or after doing it, when you want it to rest, it will just open up. So when you're trying to roll it into a ball like this, make sure you're closing it very well, just like I did here. Make sure you close the mouth very well, shape it very well so that your donuts will not open. Just take your time and do this part, okay? Don't rush it as a beginner. Just take your time and roll it out like this and you're good to go. When you fry your donut, it will be in perfect shape. So after molding them into round ball shape like this, you are going to actually cover this dough and let it rest for 1 hour so it can double in size. You have to cover it like this and let it rest for 1 hour. If you're using a good yeast, you don't need to worry. So after 1 hour, you can see that our donut has actually doubled in size and it is looking perfectly fine. So in your hot oil, you are going to start putting in your donut. And one other thing you need to know when frying your donut or when making your donut is that your donut don't need too much heat. Like medium to low heat will give you that perfect donut. You don't need to put your heat on high like your gas. Just reduce it so that your donut is not going to burn. So this is it. You see how perfectly shaped this donut is. They are looking beautiful. Like this is what you call your pillow donut. Just look at it. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Please leave a comment down the comment section for me, okay? If you follow all this process, everything that I just told you step by step, I promise you that your donut is going to come out looking this beautiful. So go ahead and fry the remaining donut, and that is it. Look at how perfectly these donuts came out and look at how beautiful they are looking. So at this point, you can go ahead and use your jam, your chocolates. You can even make milky donut at this point. Just open it up and you put in all the fillings that you want. Just let's open our donut and see how it looks. Just look at that. Just look at how smooth this donut is looking. Like this donut is so soft. I promise you, give this recipe a trial and you will not regret it. Please guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.